Are you guys seeing this? This is crazy. Good morning, guys. It is March 25th, 2020. It's supposed to be springtime. It's supposed to be putting plants in the ground to start them growing for this year. Yeah, it's not happening today. This is crazy. Hopefully it goes away. Hopefully it doesn't stick, but it's sticking. You hear that? Somebody wants out. All right, hold on a second. Okay, so let these guys out. Come on, guys. Morning. They're like, what the heck? There's snow on the ground. Right underneath. Well, now you guys don't want out? Oh man. Come on out, guys. It's nice and wet. Well, chickens are fed. Now let's go take a look at these pigs. Just got done feeding the sheep. Take some food over to these guys in a second. Let's just go see how she's doing for babies. No babies yet, huh, Mama? Oh, you're hanging low to the ground though. Oh, and there's Millie. Trouble, you're so fat. She is a big girl. Get the scratch. Oh, hush. I'll get your food in just a second. Look at how low her belly is. Oh, Mama. Let them know she's in charge. All right, let's go get some food and we'll be back in a sec. What's up, guys? We got Goku in here with Todd and family. He's just hanging out, chilling, along with the overlords. We have got a clutch of goose eggs going right now over in the little barn here. There's about 6 of them last I checked. So be interesting to see if they can actually hatch some babies for us. The ducks over here, these guys have a big old nest going on. Let's see if we can show you guys that. Hold on there. Look at all those eggs. It's pretty cool. We're hoping to have ducklings and goslings, piglings. We bred our rabbits the other day too, and so hopefully all of them within a month will start popping out babies for us. Oh, everybody's crying. Stand by, I'll be back. too cute. They want their candy. Oh, get out of my way, guys. A little bit candy for you. A little bit candy for you. There you go, Winter. Oh, yeah. They're babies. Now they're happy to get their candy. Their sweet cob. Oh, my goodness. We got little babies everywhere. They're just hanging out. They're not sure what to think of the snow stuff. All right. Man, it is crazy, guys. We've already got probably an inch or so on the ground. Not much, but it's coming down thick and hard. It's staying till like 11 is what the weather report says. I don't know. It's March. This shouldn't be happening. Living the dream. Anyway, with everything going on in the world today, it's kind of crazy to be told that we got to be quarantined, shelter in place. Cool. I'll do that all day long. I love it. Scary what's going on. It is. It's no joking matter. There's so many different sides of the fence on this, on whether you guys believe it's a government conspiracy or it's no more than just the flu. It's strange, guys. Strange times we're in. But prepare. I'd love to say it's never too late, but it's almost too late. You can already see the shelves in the stores are just gone. You know, some places they're starting to stock back up, but for how long? I mean, I'm no conspiracy theorist. I'm no full-on prepper or anything like that. But I've always been preparing. I grew up poor, so lean times are always ahead. You know that. At least growing up poor, you realize that you may have some good days, then they're not. Then you're eating government cheese. Well, let's see how long it takes for we're all having government cheese again. I remember it growing up as a kid. Government cheese, government crackers. Anybody ever watch Lost? The Dharma Initiative and their beer. It says beer, black and white label. I remember that stuff. Generic beer, generic crackers, generic everything. Government food. It's coming, guys. There's shortages everywhere. If you have the opportunity to get out there and start building some sort of a homestead, something with some self-sustainability for yourself, you're wasting time if you're not doing it now. The signs are there. I mean, I'm no doom and gloom guy. I don't know. There's too many signs to tell you otherwise. Something bad's on the way. And what that is, I don't know. All I know is I need to prepare, keep my family prepared for it. It's hard to even talk about this because so many people will think that you're just a crackpot, wackadoo, nut job, and the others want what you got. So what do? You load up your gun, and what you do, you keep your ammo on hand, and you always keep supplied. Because SHTF, it's a strong possibility it's coming, guys. Just watch yourself. Try to get yourself as self-sufficient as you can now. They say it's never too late. It may not be too late. It may. I know there's shortages everywhere. I think I've already said that, but I don't know, guys. Stuff to think about, stuff to ponder, but you're running out of time. You need to ponder it now and make those changes. Having a group of friends that are like-minded, neighbors, friends, whatever, that do the same thing, you're gonna go far. You know, having a community that is there to support you and you're to support them, you're there to support them. That's huge. I mean, that's how we make it through this, is community support. Whether this is a big nothing burger or it's the great pandemic, I'd say it's yet to be seen, but I've seen a lot of the proof, the studies, I mean, I'm no germologist or whatever they call those guys. As you can tell, clearly not. I don't know, guys. Nobody knows what the future holds. Keep your faith in God. Trust in Him that He'll provide for you and take care of you. But don't be ignorant either. You know, God gives you tools to use. He doesn't want you just sitting there like a sheep. He wants you to think for yourself. He gives you those tools. He gives you the opportunities. You got to seize them. He gives you signs. I mean, whether you believe in God or not, the universe is speaking to us. We got some bad stuff on the way, guys. They're talking about one world currency and stuff. That's biblical, guys. I don't care if you're a religious person or not. That's some crazy stuff. I think I'll just stay here on my farm and lock in. Trade eggs, chickens, and rabbits. I don't need into that one world currency crap. Trade for what I need, hopefully. That's the goal anyway. So with everything going on in the world today, guys, being prepared, having your stockpiles, your supplies on hand and in reserve, a lot of people aren't ready. A lot of people weren't ready for this pandemic to come along, and just, man, it's crazy how hard it's hitting and how fast it's going. You know, everybody claims it's no worse than the flu. The problem is the data shows it is worse than the flu. It is way worse than the flu. And the people that are saying that it's no worse than the flu have got their heads in the sand. I'm saying it. I don't care. I may be a whack job. I may be a wackadoo nut job. I don't know. We'll see. Time will tell, won't it? I really hope people are preparing for this and getting their supplies in order, getting your self-defense items in order, if you know what I mean. People that didn't prepare for this and weren't getting their S together, they're the ones that are going to panic. Those are the ones that are going to start coming after people that did, or try to anyway. They need to realize those people are the ones that they're arguing about what caliber is best, you know. He's kind of a jerk. Anyhow, having a good group of friends, neighbors, being on good terms with your neighbors, having a good group of friends that are like-minded and doing the same stuff, that's going to make you go far out here in this SHTF situation we're in. Or are we in one? It's looking like it. Time will tell. I think I've said that before, but be safe out there, guys. Don't do anything stupid. Don't do anything that's going to get yourself in trouble or harm your family. Just be safe. Be smart. Be caring. Think about your fellow man. Help them out if you can. Got an extra roll of toilet paper? Let someone have it. I mean, this is ridiculous. I mean, I've got toilet paper, but I've been stocking up for a while. Not hoarding and not panic buying. When all that was going on, I already had, I'm not going to tell you how many rolls of toilet paper I have. That's like the kid's inheritance right now. Anyhow. Oh, guys. Stay safe. Think about what you're doing. Think about your family. Think about your neighbors. You know, if you have elderly neighbors that need help, lend a hand. Social distancing, though. Definitely don't spread this if you can avoid it. There's so much we can do as a community to stop the spread of this, whether it's true or not. There's people that think that, you know, this may be a hoax and put on by the government and da-da-da-da-da. It could be. It's a good test run, though. If nothing else, it's a good test run on what you need to be preparing for. I wouldn't be stocking up on toilet paper. I mean, it's a good thing to stock up on, but come on now. It's toilet paper. Got leaves for that. Anyhow, I don't know. Get together with your friends and your neighbors. Help them out if you can. it's just something that we all need to do to pull together to get through this. It's going to be tough. Government cheese is on the way, guys. Government cheese is pretty good, but government milk ain't no good. Anybody who's lived through that part of history knows those were not fun times. I'm not that old, but my parents were, and I remember my grandparents and how they were. We've forgotten that, haven't we? So much. Well, she still hasn't popped. She's laying there, though. Big old fat girl laying down, ready to have babies one of these days. So much for getting our garden started.
Yeah.
Snow everywhere.
Yeah.
This is the last week.
So excited. Last week I have to wear this ugly shirt.
Yes, ma'am. She'll be home. We can use these for toilet paper if we need. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope it's not snowing where you're at, because it's snowing here pretty good.
Yeah.
Remember, it's never too late.
Start living your dreams.
Have a good one, guys.
Bye.